Alright guys, welcome back to another video. It's your man Jay. So shout out to the folks over at Sopiguard. David, I appreciate the support. They sent over a couple of skins, and so I had to mix it up a little bit. The honeycomb is my favorite, but I wanted to try out something new to represent the brotherhood. So put that to the side for now. As you can see, I got the camo army green. This is gonna be so boss, man. Yes. So, like all packaging that comes from Sopiguard, they give you what you need. Their microfiber cloths are top notch. I actually use them. I have them planted all over the place, man, because I really like them. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to clean this device off, and I'm going to go ahead and apply it. Now they do have the coverage where you can do the full size, but since this phone looks so nice with the flat black along the sides here, I opted to just get a back cover. So I'm going to clean it off, and then I'm going to start with the camera module. And the good part about this phone is it's flat on the back. Having a curved device, that's a disadvantage when you have to wrap around those corners and things like that. It could be a little bit of a challenge, and I realized that by putting on skins on devices that have a curved side. So I'm going to clean this off, and this method here with the back only, you probably don't need a blow dryer, but I always do it after the video to make sure it officially seals up. But I'm doing this behind the camera, so cut me some slack. All the ports and everything here, as you can see, they actually cut out. If you look through the skin there, there's all the ports. Even if there's things you might not notice, they're there. So you just line it up as so. Make sure, one of the most important one I would say here is probably that microphone. You want that microphone to be completely out. Now the Pixel 4 and the Pixel 4 XL have a flat camera module, and it's really nice. You know, unlike the bump on my iPhone, yeah, it's going to be different. It should be the same way with the OnePlus. You'll see skins on that more than likely. With the OnePlus having a flat bump right there in the back, this is actually an easy thing to put on. So now lining up this one right here, and this actually has texture, by the way, folks, so it's going to give the phone grip. They actually have all different types of skins. You see me promoting Sopiguard, not just for sponsorships and things like that, but it's because I chose to purchase Sopiguard at one point, and I personally like the quality of their skins better. It's all personal preference, but I choose Sopiguard over dbrand for a number of reasons, especially the shipping, and I've expressed that in multiple videos. The shipping for dbrand is super slow, and then the shipping for Sopiguard is ridiculously fast. So there's a cutout in the back here for the Google logo, and so I can pop this out. You can use a little tweezers, but you should be able to pop it out. Just stick your finger back there and pull through, and after you get it lined up, so you see how I did that, I lined it up first and then I put that on there. So you can probably put that little G somewhere else. So this is so boss. I wondered how, you know, not going with just the basic color, because I knew that orange G would shine through, and man oh man, I gotta tell you, I'm super pumped. This is a beautiful combination. You can actually get orange skins that'll be a little bit more orange. If you think this isn't orange enough, you can get skins from them that you might consider a little bit more orange, or you can get a flat matte skin. You can just get any color you want, but I personally feel like this is beast mode, folks. I'm gonna heat it up with a blow dryer after the video, but since the back is flat, you know what I'm saying, it's easy for it to go on with no problems, and you get that little hint of the orange coming through. You can't tell me this isn't boss right here. Check this out. Oh my goodness, man. Yeah, this is fire right here, man. And then if you put a clear case on it, which I do have a clear case, probably I rock this with no case pretty much overall though. But again, you can get the skins with the entire sides covered. I didn't want it with this phone because I like the way it feels on the sides. Tell me this isn't boss, folks. Tell me this isn't boss. It's your man Jay. I'll demo this one on my other Pixel 4 XL. Stay tuned. But I'll see you guys in the next video. My phone's going crazy now that I'm doing a video. But I'll see you guys in the next video, man. Take care. Shout out to Sopiguard. Oh.